Action-packed weekend ang naging hatid ng pagbubukas ng UAAP Season 87. With all the hype leading to the start of UAAP Men's Basketball, talaga namang hindi na-disappoint ang fans sa games that brought excitement to the crowd. Nagsimula sa Battle of Katipunan, Ateneo versus UP, a team hoping to restart a dynasty against a team on a road to redemption after back-to-back losses sa finals. The Maroons drew first blood sa kanilang pagkikita with the heroics of JD Kagulangan in display. Humakot siya ng 17 points along with 10 assists, 7 rebounds at 2 steals. Behind Kagulangan were Francis Lopez who tallied 14 points and Quentin Meliora Brown who dominated the boards with 17 rebounds. Rookie Jared Bahay anchored the Blue Eagles with 13 points at ng veteran na si Joshua Lazaro with 11 points. Coach Sean Chambers' debut with the FEU Tamaraws was spoiled after the Adamson Falcons blitzed a second-half run para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo sa Season 87. Phil Aussie Royce Mantua led the cast with 14 points habang nanguna naman si Joric Bautista para sa Tamaraws na may 14 points din. Looking good naman ang new-look UST Tigers after dominating the UE Red Warriors. Hindi na lang si Nick Cabanyero ang inaasahan ng UST na nagtala ng 14 points as he had help from Mo Tungkara, veteran point guard Fortsky Padrigao at Christian Manaytay. And last but not the least, ang maaksyong sagupaan ng defending champions De La Salle University at National University became the main highlight dahil kay Season 86 MVP Kevin Kiambao. Lamang sa halos buong laro ang NU nang biglang umarangkada si Kiambao para sa Archers. Pinaalala ni Kiambao kung bakit siya ang MVP matapos ipasok ang game-winning 3 para sa DLSU. He finished with 22 points habang 12 points naman kay Mike Phillips na may kasamang 11 rebounds. Parehong sa 15 points ang na-score ni Jake Figueroa at PJ Palacielo para sa Bulldogs. Patikim pa lang yan ng aksyon na aabangan sa mga susunod na araw sa UAAP Season 87. Ikaw, anong aabangan mo for this UAAP season? Let us know in the comments below. For more stories, visit onesports.ph.